Drop it.
What's up, team? How we doing?
How you doing? How you doing, you slackers?
Slackers not hitting the like button. What are you guys doing? We don't ask for much. We ask for you to print and for you to hit the like button. That's all it is.
That's it. It's really not that damn hard.
Bunch of freeloaders. Bunch of damn freeloaders again. But how we doing, team? Oh my god, that 1 minute traffic light to the upside on the SPY this morning was perfect.
Oh, filthy. All right, I wanna show something, right? So Andy's like, you can show it, but don't show the URL. Okay, well, I'm just gonna give you guys a teaser. Okay, teaser. Ready? Let's well, that's trade 1348. You guys see, we do not have traffic lights available to you, only in lifetime. So if you want 2 weeks, heads up with the traffic lights. $1,348, already heavily discounted. Reach out to Diana.
50% off.
That's it. OG Lifetime is the promo code. But we have a broken light. Now, this does not alert until market close when we get all the traffic lights to populate. And this is where myself and STV will be creating videos so you guys could see, okay, what we're doing and how we're doing it. Then we have the red light runner. Again, this is limited to lifetime members only, but you could see all these alerts. Now, I was alerted by my CTO, our CTO, Mr. Andrew Gagney, or L. Andy, that there was a little bug on the 4 hour. So that's getting cleared away with Algo. Andy, Algo, making it happen. But the daily crosses or the daily traffic lights will be live and available today. There's so much money that you could make with these traffic lights on a daily. I'm going to show you guys an example. For instance, with the SPY. So we got the SPY here. This is a great example. 493, middle of that candle, somewhere. Right? Even if you got to the candle close, 395. You gave yourself 30 days. You're now at like 401 with a high of almost 402 today.
Yeah. But yeah, it cracked 402.
Yeah. There's money to be made, and you get to do so in a stress-free environment.
Look at Netflix too. Frame. The daily traffic light on Netflix is like a $60-something move.
Let's go ahead and look at that. A $60 move. Let's go ahead and
I've been telling you guys, it's like you can pick any stock that you want that's made big moves, either direction, up or down, and you will see either a 4 hour or a daily traffic light front running it. So, I mean, we're going to sit here and use them. Don't get left behind. I mean, there is so much money to be made in this market, team. It's ridiculous.
Let's take a look. This is a $56 move. That's a 18.38% return. Now,
just shares.
Yeah, just shares. Now, why am I showing you this as well? Because you could play just shares. And for those who are limited, who do not have a margin account, and for those who are somewhat risk averse, not risk seeking, you can play shares with this and an 18% gain in how many trading days?
You would have had to hold through earnings, but even if you didn't, that's a 9.5% move in the stock on just shares. Either way, you killed it.
No, it's an 18.38% move on the stock.
Well, that's if you held through earnings.
If you held through earnings, yes.
Yeah.
That is wild.
Which you don't really want to do. But still, I mean, again, even if you were to like ditch it before earnings, you're up what, 10% on shares. Imagine what that is like on options. 50, 100, 200%, even with the IV crank up. Pay attention or pay premium. We're just gonna keep doing this over here. We're gonna show you guys every single day. It's fun. We're all having fun over here.
Yes, we're all having fun over here, guys. Link in pinned to the top of the comments, trade1348.com. And also, we spelled it out for you in the lower corner right there on this screen, trade1348.com. Go ahead and get your 14 days free. Get these charts. And then in 2 weeks, after you've learned everything you need to learn, you will have these traffic lights on a daily and a 4-hour. You can place shares. It doesn't have to be options. But these moves, they're there, right?
Filthy. Should we you want to get some call-ins today? See who's gonna call in?
I'm excited for call-ins.
Me too. I love them.
Oh man, just no prank calls, please. That shit's annoying.
Yeah, those were annoying. Well, no, the first one was funny with the car thing, and Brian's was good too with the Biden thing. I was just so confused at the beginning. Are those new alerts predictive or after a print? The traffic lights aren't predictive. I mean, technically, you can use them to predict the daily
1348 cross.
Yeah, you can do that, but again, we're basically just using them as traffic lights on their own. It's like a fork of the Trade 1348 system.
Exactly. It's a fork of it. So basically, I want you guys to think of it this way, where the traffic light is the state road that merges onto the interstate, right? So you're going to get the traffic light momentum merge into the 1348, right? So if you catch traffic light momentum and then it merges into 1348, oh my God, the gains would be just stupid. Okay,
Yeah.
So time for some call-ins and let's have some fun here.
Let's do it.
All right. So phone number 978-545-1348. Shout outs to DM Ohio for giving us this vanity number here. It's I absolutely love it.
Yeah, thank you, DM.
Daily Taylor, the strategy is evolving and expanding as it should. Absolutely. Absolutely. So there goes that number there. 978-545-1348. And let's see what we have here. So outside of the SPY, what else did you look at?
I was looking at an NVIDIA reversal. It never
immediately.
Ooh, here we go.
It's a spam risk. We'll find out.
It's always a spam risk.
And you are live. Who's calling? And they hung up.
That's disappointing.
Bad reception? Maybe.
It could be.
Yes. All right. So going back to that question, what else were you looking at?
I mean, I was looking for an Apple reversal and a NVIDIA reversal. They really didn't play out yet. I think we could see them a little later in the day. Other than that, I've just been looking at setting up some more swings. But I've really just been playing the SPY on the 1 minute traffic lights. Those have been filthy, just absolutely dirty. You guys saw both of them today. If you I posted them both on my Instagram story. One of them's on Twitter. The 40% on the SPY this morning. If I had held those, they would have been crazy. But I'm using the stop loss strategy. I'm trading the same way every single time. It's simple. I'll lock in those gains every single time. Thanks, market. Easy.
Oh boy, pretty well. Good stuff here. So on the 1 minute, this is interesting. So you got a traffic light that brings you down to a level. You secure that bag here on this level. Then you got another traffic light that prints and it breaks above the 48 here. Now let's zoom in on. Let's see. You got the candles. Yeah, I'm not taking this trade until I get a candle break above, right? Because then I'm risking the 13 as opposed to risking the 48, right? So in this situation, I want to go ahead and wait for the candle break and then wait for the 13 to cross. And therefore now the 13 is also my risk. But when you're consolidating here, it's like, okay, so what are you risking? Your 13 or are you risking your 48? Okay. So just wait for a candle close above a level that you're looking to target, whether it's the 13 or the 48. Let's see. Neo just consolidating price action. And that's great. You guys are able to really, really see that with these traffic lights here.
Yeah, we went over risk management a lot on the 1 minute in the master class yesterday. So all you lifetime members that didn't get a chance to watch that, you guys all have the links in your email. Make sure you go back and watch that stream from yesterday. That's gonna help you guys a lot. Now, again, if you don't have discipline and you're not quite there with your risk management, don't fuck around on the 1 minute. That wouldn't make any sense. But if
Yeah.
you're in a good spot, it's almost like the difference between like Invictus and the normal crosses. The Invictus is going to make you more of what you already are. Same thing with the 1 minute. If you're already a successful trader, using these traffic lights on the 1 minute with the risk management that we lay out for you is going to make you even better. But on the other side, if you can't manage your risk, it's not going to help you.
Nope. It's not going to help you. Good point. Good point. I like it. I like it. Let's see. We got 172 viewers, 82 viewers on the afternoon stream. Oh, we're breaking records today.
You guys, all you slackers in here, make sure you're hitting the like button. How many likes are we at right now? I want to see that at 100. Only 56? What's wrong with you guys? Slackers, bro.
Oh, man. So, Neo consolidating, AMD consolidating, NVIDIA consolidating, Apple. Let's see. Consolidating the SPY.
Everything, dude. Everything is just consolidating here.
All right. So, what does that mean? That means you guys just hold on, all right? Just sit on the sidelines, hang out for a little bit until momentum starts showing itself, right? The moves are just in a limited range where the risk and reward simply doesn't make sense.
Yep.
It doesn't.
Everything's just kind of it's a lot of EMA sandwich. Well, not necessarily EMA sandwiches, but like Gabe said, consolidation. Like we'll probably see the move happen later in the day today. 1:30, 2 o'clock, 2:30, maybe even power hour. You get something crazy.
Oh man, that means your stream's gonna be lit.
It might be. It might be. We might have some fun over there.
Let's see. None of the market owes us nothing. Absolutely. See, that's the mindset.
Market doesn't owe you anything. No. Yeah, we also got the number on the screen, team. If you guys do want to call in, ask us any questions, or just kind of hang out, call in, tell us about how you're liking the traffic lights so far. The number's there. Let's do it.
Yeah. Yeah. Also, maybe what you ate last night. Let me know you're a good cook.
I got all you can eat sushi.
You know, dude.
It was good too.
The all you can eat sushi, the times you told me where you get the 2-for-1 chicken sandwiches, dude, this dude eats on a bargain, ladies and gentlemen.
Dude, remember I was showing you the ground chicken and the eggs for lunch? It's like fucking $4 lunches. The all you can eat. I honestly don't think I could do sushi not all you can eat anymore. Because it's like, what's the point? I'm going to order like one thing for like $30. That's nonsense. I could spend like $25 and get as much as I want.
Jesus. Okay.
We get mercury poisoning.
Man, let me know when you go back to that pizza joint. That pizza was amazing, even from Boston.
Lincoln? Yeah, that place is good.
Oh, man.
Iron stomach. They take it. You're fine. It's not bad. You get a little worried. Oh, and all you can eat tacos.
Yeah, he does that Tuesday. Too. He does that on Taco Tuesday. Like, dude, be careful, man.
I told you,
you start getting older, your metabolism slows down.
When I'm 50, I'm gonna be fat as fuck.
You're gonna look like the Michelin Man, bro. Like
I am.
All right, we got a call in. Let's see. Spam risk, as always. And thank you for calling the stream. Who are we speaking with?
Hey, Victor Lucas.
Who is this?
Victor.
How you doing, Victor?
What's going on, man?
I'm all right. How you doing, man? All right.
Okay, so are we talking
or
what are we doing here, man? What's up?
Yeah, I'm here. I didn't know what like a topic or we calling for a topic or what.
Yeah, whatever you want to talk about.
Oh, all right. On the fly today. I've been day trading now about a year and a half. So I was trying to. I had a 401 rejection. I caught that rejection. Just trying to see about basically, I guess, and shorting the rest of the day. So I see it's consolidating.
Yeah, I mean, we might see a move down, but I mean, we're not going to predict it. If it starts to, it can go either way. So, like, if it wants to break down, you'll see it. If it wants to break up, you'll see that as well.
Yeah.
It'll be very
Okay.
obvious which way it wants to go.
Yeah. So I mean,
But then
I would say, you know, do not attempt to form a bias or an expectation that it will go down. I think the SPY has humbled us many times, right? Where it's like, okay, we're hunting a reversal and it doesn't happen. I would say wait for all the signals to signal a reversal as opposed to trading with an expectation. You trade with the expectation, you're gonna get fucked, and like you don't want that happening. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so
because
trade.
I was in calls.
Okay,
I caught the move all the way up, but I noticed the volume wasn't as strong as it should. But we instead it kept creeping up, and then I noticed Apple and Tesla they was creeping up as well. But SPY volume wasn't all that.
I mean, if you were using the stop loss strategy that I outlined for you guys, it's a done deal. I mean, you can let that thing go for as long as it wants to go. That's why I have that
Okay.
stop loss strategy video out there for you guys. So it's not like you're almost trying to get too nitty gritty with it. You're like, oh, but Apple, Tesla, SPY volume. No. You don't need to do any of that. As long as you can scale out and make sure you're taking money off the table and you've effectively made the trade free, let it go. That's how I do it. I'm not trying to be like, oh, but the volume here, that no. I keep it simple.
keep it simple, man.
Basically, you get the breakout, you get your contracts, you set your stop loss, and once the trade becomes free, just let it do its thing. Set your stop loss, move your stop, and just let it do its thing. You get stopped out, you up, you wait.
Exactly. It's just giving me more free money is how I view it.
Yep.
Okay, I appreciate that.
All right, man. So just wait and be patient, and the market will pay you. Just wait for the signals. And, the signals, as I'm looking at it right here on the 5 minute, we look at the chart with the SPY. As it stands right now, it's not ready. RSI is still below, still above midpoint, and midpoint would be 50 on the RSI, right?
Mhm.
MACD, although you're printing red bars on the histogram, the MACD is still very elevated from neutral to the upside, with those values being 1.14 and 1.12, right? This is letting me know, like, no, we're not going to front run this right now, right? We're just going to wait for, the MACD signal lines start coming down, the histogram building bigger and bigger with RSI breaking below 50. We can see that, we're good, but we're going to end up, okay, guys, we also have to have expectations if you're going to bring this back to the downside. And that would be this level here at 404, which it broke. And, that was a level that we were watching. It was like, it was literally like Houston watching the rocket just leave the atmosphere, right? We were counting that down. So, again, we also have to remember the 1348 Genie. Currently, the EMA trend is a call, so we're biased to calls, which, again, if you're going to play to the downside, it might be just a quick scalp until, and I don't see this happening. Guys, as it stands, for it to get below the 200 EMA, you're looking for a $5 move to the downside.
Yeah, that would be huge.
That would be huge. I would lose faith in the market if you just got a doom candle and it dropped that violently, right? So
Yeah.
you have to have realistic expectations and just play it methodically and take the opportunities that it's going to give you, right? If it's not giving you an opportunity, do not take the trade.
Okay.
All right.
I got two questions. I don't know if you can answer them or not. Like I normally chart like off the monthly and the weekly wicks, and then kind of gauge them off the daily. That's kind of a good strategy
No.
for its levels.
Not weekly,
No?
no. I'd say daily and 4. I use daily and 4 hour. Weekly, like sort of like they're just going to be giant levels. You're probably not going to be around them very much though. I use the daily and the 4 hour levels and then a few from the 5-minute over the last 7 days.
There you go.
You think the wicks are more good or the counter close level?
Oh. For resistance, I use the wicks.
Okay.
Good stuff.
All right. And one more thing. Contracts. Like I've been getting burnt a lot on the ZOTD, so I've been kind of doing like a day out or like 2 days out expiration, or like on Friday.
Hold on. Why did you ever try to play 0 days?
Uh-oh.
You know, I started in 2021, so you know it didn't matter what you bought, it just went up, and I just had
I understand.
You know,
I understand.
thing.
But how? Okay, are you in our community?
No, I want to be a part
he's
of it.
excused. He's excused.
Okay,
He's
now
not in our community.
There
Listen,
is
man.
never ever a time that we would ever say that 0 days is a good idea, dude. It is so risky, so volatile. You don't want to be doing that. That's how you blow up accounts.
Yeah.
It's so risky.
Man, listen. If you've been seeing some success as of recent and you're playing 0 days or 0 days, give yourself time and trust me, you will take your trading to the next level. So we don't do 0 days to expiration. That's a no-no. That's a gambler's mentality, and that is a very quick way to blow up an account, right? If you want to go ahead and play 0 days to expiration, you could go ahead and check out Level Up, right? And, you know, you go blow up your account over there. Now, I'm just being candid with you right now, right? You know, like, thanks for calling in. I'm not trying to beat you up or that kind of thing. But if you have dependents, if you have people who are counting on you and or you're counting on yourself, right? Give yourself the best competitive advantage you could give yourself, and that's give yourself time, right? I'm also going to ask you, are you playing out of the money? I guess that's my next question.
I'm guessing yes.
Yeah, I'm playing. I've been in range. I know like SPY move like in like $5 to $10 ranges, so I've been kind of being on the right side of the range lately, and I've been profitable with that. But the zero TDs, it bit me. This year I've been taking, like I say, time on my contract, so I've been profitable. I done caught the sell-offs, you know, the last week. I caught all of that, you know, and I just know I was just trying to get some experience from y'all about exactly like picking the cons, like looking at the data and stuff like that.
That's all in our curriculum video.
Like,
yeah.
Okay.
So I tell you what, man.
Because I know like if we like 390, I know once we got over 390, I know we're heading to 400. So like if we play around the 400.
No, you don't.
We don't?
You don't.
No.
You don't know nothing, man. Listen, again, it's just listen, bro. Listen. I'm gonna take over the conversation right now, right?
All right.
This is what I want you to do. Go to trade1348.com. For 14 days is free. We're gonna give you free game. You're also gonna get the charts, right? And we're gonna show you why and where you could easily fuck up. Now, today's a day where everybody feels like a fucking incredible trader, especially if you're playing 0 days to expiration, because the trend is to the upside, right? The trend currently gives 0 fucks. Right. So people are just like, whoa, 40, 50, 100%, 200%. All right, congrats, good, right? But what happens when the market decides it wants to start fucking with you? When it starts whipsawing, when it starts doing all those things, where you have, let's say, you come in and you got the 402s, and then you get a major whipsaw where it comes straight down to 395. I mean, we've seen wild days like that, right? I tell you what, it will hurt your account, bro, and it will take you out of this market, right? Absolutely. I'm just being candid with you, man. Listen, trade 1348, it's free, right? You don't owe me nothing at this point. You actually owe it to yourself to get knowledge that's going to go ahead and reprogram the current way, your current way of doing things. Because your current way of doing things, bro, you're going to be out of this market in 3 months. I'm being honest with you.
And you can't make any assumptions about the market. You have to be reactive, not predictive. Like it's if you start trying to assume things are going to happen and playing short time to expiration and oversizing, and you aren't following the things that we've outlined in the curriculum, sometimes it can work. But again, you don't know why it's working.
I'm gonna tell you,
It's not a repeatable process. So you want to make it repeatable.
Yes.
Because I've been following you for a while, and I used to do your stock screener, and you go on there and do your above or equal to on $1 and do your exponential 30% or 30, and what's the other one? It's another one, but basically it gives you the stock screener of the stocks, and you look on the daily, and you before you get your cross, and you wait for the cross of the 1348. Like I use that, and it works, you know. And now I'm just trying to go back because I kind of got off the path of not doing the same thing consistently.
That's what it is. How do you expect to have consistent results if you don't have a consistent process or approach to managing and entering the trades? That's what we help you with.
Exactly. Dude, when you get frustrated if you're trying to sleep with your lady every night but her whole moves?
I'm with you.
I'm just let's be real. Would you get frustrated? I get frustrated as fuck. I'm like, okay, which hold this time? Like, the fuck are we doing here? Right? You need something consistent. And you find it and you stick to it, because consistent results, are dependent on consistent behavior.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Mm-hmm. So what a lot of retail does when they get started is, they're constantly trying to find what works, as opposed to sticking to something that could possibly work and just straight up stick to it. You see what I'm saying? I'm a believer that for the most part, there are many systems out there that do in fact work, but it's the trader that doesn't work. But I am going to say this: Trade 1348 is probably the best system you're ever going to come across, bro. Mm-hmm. That's
it. You get those traffic lights firing off. Oh, it's game over.
I sure appreciate y'all. I'm gonna sign up for the 1348. I'm gonna do that.
There you go, man.
Love to see you in there, buddy.
I have trading view already, so I just need the 1348. That'd be icing on the cake.
Let's do it, man. Let's change that mindset.
You're gonna join a great community, man, and people are gonna set you straight. That's just the way we operate here, right? Mm-hmm. Because I care about your money more than you do. Trust me on this. Trust me. It's all love.
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate your time.
All right.
Thank you, Victor.
Take it easy.
You have a good one.
Yep.
So here's I feel like the takeaway from this is that there's a lot of you in this chat and a lot of our live chats are just being fed bullshit. You guys are being fed bullshit by everybody else that has like a platform. It's so bad because we come in here and we're like, oh, I was trading 0 days, I was doing this, and it's like, fuck, bro. Like, that's not the way to do things, and I know where it's coming from. It's not good. You cannot do. It's not your guys' fault. It's just there's so many people who don't know what the fuck they're talking about out there feeding you guys this.
Yeah.
If you guys want to actually learn and actually take it to the next level and make sure that you can fully capitalize on the moves in the market, you guys know where to find us. Trade1348.com, 2 weeks for free. We're gonna change the way you think in the market.
All right, guys. I'm gonna throw this at you too. So Citadel made $16 billion last year. $16 billion. I know he's the villain here. And yes, Citadel is responsible for 1 in 5 trades in the market. But do you think they're playing 0 days to expiration?
They're selling them to you. They're selling them to people like you. That's how they made $16 billion, you motherfuckers. That's how they made it. They sold you the options. You lost, they won. By you playing 0 days, you're like, oh, I think this is going to work. You just gave them money. Everybody hates Citadel, but then goes and trades 0 days. They're like, this is going to work. Breaks my fucking brain, bro. Moron. Not you,
San Diego. All right, whoever is calling in from San Diego, I'm going to let you know I'm absolutely jealous. You got the best year-round weather, period, and you need to shut the background the fuck down. So, welcome to the live stream.
What's up?
Who's this?
This is Martina Avery.
Martina.
Avery in San Diego.
How you doing?
Man, I'm going to tell you what. I had to just call in real quick after hearing, that dude, and he's finally going to do it. I signed up about maybe 2.5, 3 weeks ago, right? I think like a week and a half ago, I was like, dude, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing wrong, right? I'm sorry. Oops, watch my language. But,
You can curse.
I was really frustrated and trying to get it all figured out. And, man, I got to tell you, this is the most beautiful thing that I've seen, period, point blank. God bless you guys and thank you guys for helping small people like me come up and get out.
Gabe, can you turn it up? I can't hear it.
There you go.
Me?
No, I was telling Gabe to turn you
All
up.
right, yeah, you're gonna have to repeat that now. Okay, so can you guys hear him a little bit? All right, repeat
Is that better now?
All right,
yeah, that's better. Yeah.
I was just saying, man, you guys have one of the best programs. This 1348 red light, green light indicator is absolutely amazing. It's a God-given dream. I signed up maybe about 3 weeks ago. About 2 weeks ago, I was still frustrated trying to learn and trying to just get my emotions, because emotions are huge. And I've learned that with this indicator. And man, just thank you guys so much. I'm finally able to feel confident about not taking a 9-to-5 job anymore and being able to work on my own again. And for my family, my kids, man, it's awesome. Like I see the future, and I appreciate y'all. That's all I wanted to say.
Man, we love to hear it, man. Thanks for calling in and repeating yourself twice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That was you
I
like last
appreciate
week
y'all.
with the trading view help, right? With the charts, you're like, I can't
Yes.
get it. I'm like,
Yes. Yes, it was me. And it was me that got spammed by Diana's twin.
oh, the fake Diana.
You know?
Did
Yes,
she promise?
that
Did
was
she
me.
promise to just tell you? Did she promise this
Envidia.
on loop over and over and over? Is that what her spam bot did to you? No, I'm kidding, man. Yeah, we.
Yeah. Dude. So, no, I did not sign up. I didn't fall for it, but
Good.
definitely learn to watch out for these haters. But, man, you guys are not the haters at all. You're the greatest. I appreciate you. God bless you.
We
Thank you,
appreciate you too,
Martina.
man. Thank you so much.
You're
Peace.
welcome, you guys. Cheers.
Hey,
All right.
cheers. Peace. Love to hear it.
Dude, even the new people that come in, like, how long did she say she's been in with us? 3 weeks?
Yeah.
It's quick, dude. That's why we're giving you guys this 2-week free trial, because we can get you up to speed very fast. That's why we built the curriculum and do these live streams and have the tools that we do. We streamline the entire process, even if you don't know anything.
Yeah. William, my setup is laptop, mobile phone. So laptop, I could see the chart, big, nice big screen. And then I'm executing on my phone, courtesy of Weeble. Very, very simple setup, right?
Mm-hmm.
Also, we removed the need for, multi-screen setup, just so you can look like a serious trader, but you're still losing your ass and you're still paying Best Buy for those 20 monitors in your fucking office, just looking like an idiot, not know what the fuck you're doing.
Dude, I got one screen, I got you guys on another, and I got my phone. It's easy. Keep it simple. Just because you have 17 million monitors doesn't make you a better trader.
Yeah, Diana did convince everybody that I was the
what
fake
the fuck?
review
Yeah, what was
dork.
that all about? I was in there one day and I saw that and I was like, I think I'm just gonna let this go. And then everybody's just gonna think Gabe is fake Gabe.
Pretty freaking wild. Listen, guys, you hear it here. Trade1348.com. You got one who's killing it. You got one who's about to join, who's going to be killing it in 2 weeks. I can't wait for him to call back in and be like, wow, man, this changed everything.
Here's the other thing too. Gabe and I are the only people on YouTube with a interview with one of their members that became a millionaire.
Yeah.
We are the only ones.
Only ones.
Where else are you finding that, man? I mean, the proof is there. And it's so funny too. It's like there are certain people out there that just like automatically assume there's like, oh, there must be something up with it. And it's just, no, you're outclassed. It's so funny because people just don't understand the power of what we're doing. And the reason is we keep it so simple for everybody. Anybody can learn.
Anybody can learn. Anybody can learn. We have another call.
Let's do it.
And they hung up.
Damn it. I like the calls.
2023 is going to be lit. Get it? Traffic lights.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see here. You guys are more than welcome to call.
And then somebody's asking, do these guys just talk or interact with the people in the chat? On the midday stream, we do a lot of that. We do a little bit back and forth. So this is the call-in stream where everybody can call in. But in the morning, we have 2 streams, and then the afternoon, I pop on. And just
Let's go. And you are live. Who are we speaking with?
This is Catherine Fisher.
Hello, Catherine. How you doing?
I'm doing good. I just wanted to say thank you. Yeah, I remember I started doing this. Well, I was in the AMC thing, and you know what I mean. Stayed in AMC way too long. And then Review Dork did that video, the first video he did on the 1348, and I've been doing that ever since. I've been part of y'all's group and everything, and I just want to say it's wonderful. And the traffic lights are saving me because I never understood the ADX momentum. So the little genie thing is absolutely wonderful. But I just wanted to say thank you guys. You've totally changed how I trade, totally changed. And I've been doing very, very well. And slowly I'm, building it up, but I've been doing very, very well. And I just wanted to say thank you.
Man.
Congratulations. That's awesome.
We don't get a lot of ladies to call on in, and this is great. I mean, like, we love to hear that the ladies are killing it, and in fact, ladies are better traders than fellas. It's usually, just it's a factual statement. So, thank you for calling in, and we're really, really happy for you. Have you had a chance to connect with Diana and all the other ladies in the community, because they're killing it too?
Yeah, well, I mean, I'm not very social on the medias and stuff just because I normally am working when I'm doing this, which makes it a little bit more complicated, but you know what I mean?
Gotcha.
Yeah.
But no, this thing is wonderful. I wish that y'all would expand a little more and actually do the selling calls, selling puts.
We can. It's just it's a little bit different. You effectively can just inverse the traffic lights and the crosses and things like that. It's just a little bit more risky for people to understand. It's a different way of thinking. So I can make videos on like playing with theta. We can do that if you want to. It's just slightly different, and there's different things that you have to be careful of. You also need margin accounts and things like that. But if there's enough people that want to learn about that type of stuff, I can teach you it. We could teach that. I mean, as a courtesy.
That to me, it seems like you would be taking it to the next level. And then one day options would be really good. If you could tell them one day.
Spreads are nice. A lot of people like spreads.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Well, thank you for calling in. It's really, really good to hear from the ladies here. And by the way, thank you for dealing with my retarded self. I know I'm not like lady friendly to a certain degree, but.
Oh no, you totally changed. I could never even read charts before you did that first video, and since then I've been following you both, and it's just been getting better and better and better. You know what I mean? And you totally changed my world. So I thank you very much.
Oh, well, you're very welcome, and really thank you for your testimonial, and you have a great day. Thank you for calling in.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
I love hearing from our people, man. I mean, it's just the stories are everywhere. I love it.
Yeah. Somebody said like they have no emotions. It's true. Like, you ever seen a woman break up with you? That shit's cold.
It's just like ha.
She'll stare you down like I don't know, like you're in the middle of like a WWE match.
Yeah.
I can't even keep a straight face. They're just staring down. It's like, it's over. Like, what? Wait, but what about the dog? Fuck you. Bye. Wait. Whatever happened to you and that girl who are co-parenting a dog?
I told you, there's no dog. There's no dog. I'm not actually going to Italy.
Wait. You're supposed to go to Italy, though.
I told you, I'm not actually going. When do I have time to go to Italy?
dude, that is the only
I
way
told
you have a
what I was
shot
gonna
at
do about the
Tammy.
dog, though. The
That's
dog,
ju-
I'm just gonna bring my dog here. So it's 2 birds, 1 stone. Just get my dog.
Okay, I guess that works. Whoa, this is an international call.
Ooh, here we go.
Thank you for calling in. And they hung up.
God damn it.
I
I
love her.
It wasn't. I got pressure. They were like, I want to get a dog. I want to get a dog with you. I'm like, I'm not getting a dog, but fine, we'll gamble on it. And then I won. And then now no dog, but then whatever. It's fine.
Yeah, I mean, but dude, Tammy,
Stop.
You gotta take her to Italy. You gotta take her to Italy.
Okay, cool.
Oh man, oh man, oh man. All right. Let's see here. Pepe says expensive butt down.
Keep name dropping. I'll start name dropping.
Oh man. Well, wait, don't you have a date scheduled with her this week?
Which one? 1 or 2. Playground or dog? We gotta use nicknames. Playground or dog?
Playground.
Yeah, I think so. And also dog. So the answer is yes
Okay.
to both.
Cool. Right. So take her to an Italian dinner. Just
That would be funny as hell. We went to Italy. Oh, that would be funny. And we can go to this place called My Bedroom. Okay, just kidding.
dude, no. 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 Dude, she works way too close to where you live.
Stop. Seriously, stop.
Jesus.
I can't be getting exposed on the internet.
This
is the one. This is the one that I told everybody about earlier. I was like, I can't describe anything about it. Don't do it.
Oh man. So TMY is her ticker. So they said give the girls ticker names.
Sure, calls.
TMY. Claws on TMY?
We're scalping. Okay.
Gabe is that type of uncle that airs out your laundry at the family dinner. Fuck yeah, I'm that guy. Dude.
No,
Okay.
I do it by accident to Gabe sometimes. It's not my fault. I just don't know what, like.
We got an. Okay, unknown hung up. Listen, if you call me unknown, I'm not answering. If you're unknown, I'm unknown. That's just the rule. Okay. Oh, wait. What the fuck? St. Charles, Missouri. They tried calling in. But yeah, I am that guy. Listen, I went ahead and I shouldn't say this, but
Oh no.
yeah, I am that guy. At my brother's wedding, I told my sister off in front of her fucking deadbeat boyfriend. I went off. Everybody heard it. I gave 0 fucks.
Dude, I'll be on the phone with you. I do it to you too. I'll be on the phone with you, and then like we'll be on FaceTime, and then I'll say something, and then I'll stop myself, and then I'll just be like, "Can I?" And you're like, "No."
Yeah. Like, dude, I went off on her piece of shit boyfriend. Like, I just like everybody in my family is looking at me like, fuck you, can't tell me shit. I'm already drunk. Oh man, Lord.
We like to have fun.
For the record, the marriage is still rocking strong. My brother's marriage, right?
Good. We didn't ruin it away.
I didn't scare his wife away.
Oh, have I ever told you about the time that I crashed a wedding?
Oh,
this
see,
is funny.
That's what white boys do. Go ahead, please do share.
In college, my dorm was right next to a hotel. So what happened one time is we are all hammered. We're walking to the bar and we have to go past this hotel and we see that there's a wedding going on, but there's a bunch of people outside. So we walk up and just start talking to the people outside. And apparently one of these girls is the bride. My buddy, who's like, all these kids were from like Europe. So they all had accents. So this dude walks up, starts talking to the bride, not knowing it's the bride. The bride is aggressively flirting with my friend, and the entire like groomsmen are just all telling us like get the fuck out, like telling us to leave because the bride was flirting with my buddy at her wedding. And I was like, oh no, this is bad.
Damn.
And then we just went to the bar and laughed.
Talk about freaking vows remorse 15 minutes after. Holy shit.
Yeah, I was like, damn, is that how it is?
Yeah, it is. That's why you don't do it.
Fair enough.
Oh, man. Let's see. Everyone's just cracking up here. Next thing you know,
Your buddy's married? No, he lives in like Ireland now, I think. Or that's where he was from.
Let's see. Everybody's just having a good time right now. Like the market's doing a whole lot of nothing, so we just hang out here and taking calls because the market's doing nothing. But like I think, like I said, your stream is going to be popping because
I think so too.
the market's going to choose a direction.
I think so.
Let's see. Yeah, everyone's chilling and the port's up. I mean, hey, good. STV is live in 13 minutes. You got any other cool stories, STV?
Not that I can think of right now.
All right.
I don't think so.
Frank B says, STV, next time you're in Orlando, go to Osceola County and do that. No, he will get shot by those Puerto Ricans in Kissimmee. Like, we're not doing that. Like, Frank, be nice.
I'm not doing that. It wasn't me. I was just there watching. They had no problem with me. Your girl's doing stuff with me. I'm not doing anything with her.
Dude. You do that at a Latino wedding, they're going to find your body in a rice bag.
Yeah, I pick my poison when I do that. I know when I can and when I should not.
I have a 2 p.m. appointment today. I'm up a whopping 0.65% today, so I'm taking it. I hope all of you bastards print this afternoon. Hey, 0.65? Dude, you're 0.35 away from a goal, which means like maybe tomorrow you get that 0.35, right? Don't force the play. You don't need to. Yeah. Right? End the day green.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That's it. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Oh, boy. So who's Central Florida? Who's Osceola County?
I think that was Frank.
Yeah, Frank is Osceola County? Okay. If I take you to Lake County, you're going to get shot.
Let's not go there. Let's keep me safe.
Dude, oh my God, in Lake County, you were like, Bird, what the hell are you talking about over there? I just married that woman. He going to...
Oh, those sound like my people.
Oh, no, they're different down here, bro.
I don't know if they'd like me. I don't know. Maybe they would. I don't know.
Oh, man. Lord. All right, guys. 10 minutes before STV's live stream? We got nothing for you right now.
No. Trade1348.com. 2 weeks free. You guys heard the testimonials today. Come see why, everybody. Come see why all the people that call us in are like, thank you, guys. This is great. I mean, there's a reason, guys. There's a very specific reason.
Oh, man. Oh, we got to bring him to Polk County. No, we're going to put you on OBT. Your ankles belong on OBT.
I don't know what this is, and I'm too afraid to ask. I think I'm just going to go with it and just drink tequila.
You heard it here, guys. You said he's going to go with it.
Well, it depends on what it is.
Well, I'm going to drop you off at the corner of OBT and Sand Lake, and I'll pick you up.
So I feel like I know what you're saying. I feel like I have to I feel like I know what this is. I think I know. So this I probably wouldn't go with. I'd probably like call an Uber as fast as I could. Just like whoop, out.
Oh man. Yeah, the catwalk, bro. It's the catwalk with the ankles.
Yeah, I think I know what this is.
Oh man. Hilarious. All right, guys, we are signing out. 10 minutes to STV's live stream.
Oh, we got the educational stream. All of you newbies. So everybody that's signing up today over the past few weeks, if you're confused on anything, we're doing that new member live stream tonight at around 8. So make sure that you guys are there for that. We'll send you the links there, but that's going to be a private live stream for all you guys to make sure that we can catch you guys up to speed on anything that you're confused on, the strategy, the traffic lights, everything.
Absolutely. We will see you tonight at 8. Damn it. I wanted to go to church.
You can go to church after.
Yeah,
We're not going to be on for that long.
Okay, cool. I'm messing with you guys. All right. We're signing out.
Peace.